Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Curt in Georgia on this Ranger RCI 99N2. Curt got it ready to go for you. Our tune alignment and Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade. Start with the power all the way down, 100 watt slug. 5 watts all the way down so you can run that 8 pill if you choose to do so. 50 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. Pegs it. 250 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. 250 on the money. Alright, Curt, we're going to get it out to you, bud. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.